Sets. What is the meaning of set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. An object of a set is called an element of the set. Sets are represented by the capital letters. Sets are represented by the capital letters. Okay, A, B, C, D, etc. Okay, understood? Next one. And the elements of a set are represented by small letters. Elements are A is set, B is set, C is set. And then elements are represented by small letters. A, B, C, numbers, etc. Okay, next. If an element X belongs to a set, then we write X belongs to A. If an element X belongs to a set, then we write X belongs to A. If an object Y does not belongs to a set B, Y does not belongs to a set B, then we write Y not belongs to B. Next one, describing a set. Describing a set. A set may be described by, first one is list form or roster form. Second one is set builder form or rule form. Okay, first is the list form or roster form. Second one is the set builder form or rule form. Next example, P equal to A E I O U. This is the roster form or list form. P is the A E I O U are the roster form or list form. Then S is equal to X such that X is a vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O are the vowel. This is the set builder form or rule form. Next one, A is 2, 3, 5, 7. What are these? These are prime numbers. Less than 10. Less than 10. This is the, what is the form? This is the list form or roster form. A is equal to X such that X is a prime number less than 10. This is the set builder form or rule form. Empty set. Empty set. The set with no elements. The set with no elements. It is called empty set or null set. Empty set or null set. It is denoted by pi. It is denoted by pi. Pi is equal to, this is the empty set or null set. Next one, singleton set. Next one, singleton set. A set containing one and only one element. One and only one element is called singleton set. Okay, A is the set. That is the A. Only one and only one element. This is the singleton set. Next, universal set. Universal set is represented by mu. Okay, what is the meaning universal set? What is the meaning of universal set? All sets under consideration will be subset of a fixed set called universal set mu. Okay, all the sets. Okay, next one. Cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number of a set. The number of elements in a set is called the cardinal number of the set. The number of elements. A set is 4 elements, B set is 5 elements, C set is 6 elements, and example. Okay, the cardinal number of the set A is denotes as number of A. Okay, the cardinal number of the set A is denotes as number of A. Finite set. Finite set. If the number of elements in a set is countable, this is what? Countable, then it is called finite set. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elements? 5 elements. B is equal to P, Q, R, S, T, U. How many elements? 6 elements. Okay. C is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. How many elements? 6 elements. This is the countable. Limited elements. Limited elements. Infinite set. If the number of elements in a set is uncountable. Infinite means uncountable. then it is called infinite set. Example, natural numbers, whole numbers, journal numbers, rational numbers, or etc. Okay, next, union of sets. Union of sets. Let us consider mu. What is the mu? Universal set. What is the mu? Universal set. The set of all students in your school. In your school, which class is it? 6th, 7th to 10th, and intermediate, and also. Okay, suppose A is the set of students in your class. A is the set of students in your class, only one class. Okay, who are absent on Tuesday, and B is Tuesday, and B is the set of students who are the absent on Wednesday. Okay, understood? This one is, then let us A. What is the A? Students in your class. Okay, a set of students in your class. A. Roja, Ramu, Ravi, and B. Ramu, Preeti, Hani. Only atla. Now we want to find K. Then set of students who were absent on either Tuesday or Wednesday. Then Roja, Ramu, Ravi, Hanif, and Preeti all being to K. But Akila does not. Okay. Next, hence K set. Roja, Ramu, Ravi, Hanif, Preeti. Not in Akila. Okay. Then here the set K is called the union of set A and B. Okay. The union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and B. The symbol U is used to denote the union. Okay. Symbolically we write A union B. Symbolically we write A union B. Usually read as A union B or A cup B. Okay. A union B is equal to X, that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, we can see the problems. First problem, let A 2, 5, 6, 8 and B 5, 7, 9, 1. Find A union B. Okay, we have A union B is equal to first A set. Then what is the symbol? U. U means union. Then 5, 7, 9, 1. What is the set? This is the B set. Union means 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 1. A set or B set. Then union means 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. If 5 is the in A set and also B set. It comes only one time. It comes only one time. Okay. Next one. That A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and find A union B. We have A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 union 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the A set or B set is the union. Union means 1, 2, 3, 4, not in 5. Not in 5. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next one. Let P is equal to ABCD and Q is equal to EFGHI and find P union Q. P union Q. We have P union Q. First you write ABCD union EFGHI. Next A set R union B set. Then you write as union ABCDEFGHI. Okay. Next one. Next let A, AEIOU and B, AIU. Show that A union B is equal to A. Show that A union B is equal to A. What is the A? A. This is. We show that A. Okay, we have A union B is equal to A set union B set. A set union B set. Okay, we write A set or union B set. Union means AEIOU. What is the AEIOU? A set. Okay, A union B is equal to A. Okay. This problem illustrates that union of set A and its subset B is the set A itself. Okay, this problem illustrates that union of set A and its subset B is the set A itself. Then if B subset A, this is the subset, then A union B is equal to A.